Hi, how are you today? I'm Helen. Today I would like to teach you how to insert picture and how to edit the picture. Insert picture is a useful tool that can make your presentation more remarkable, and then you can catch your audience eyes. Besides, it can also help you to express your information more effectively other than just words. So today I would like to teach you how to insert picture, how to reposition picture, how to resize it, how to rotate it, and how to crop the picture. So before my lesson, I would like to tell you that maybe my computer interface will a little bit different from you, but don't be afraid. You can just find the keywords what I mentioned. So first, I would like to teach you how to add a new slide. First, click Home button here, and then click the arrow button beside the new slide button here. Click it, and then choose blank. And then after clicking it, you'll see a new blank slide will appear. So we have to start our lesson 1, how to insert picture. First, click Insert button. And then you will see after clicking it, there are a lot of things that can insert in PowerPoint, just like the table, the shape, the icon, the smart art, and the picture. But now we have to focus on picture. First, click picture, and then after clicking it, you will see there are 3 types of the source that you can choose. For me, I choose picture from file. After clicking it, you can see there are also some of the source that you can choose to find your picture. Because my picture is download from the website, so I choose download. And then the interface will be like this, and choose whatever the picture that you want to insert it. Click it, and then click Insert button here. And congratulations, your picture is here. So let us move on to the second lesson, how to reposition the picture. So let us use this example. And then first click your picture first, and then after click it, you can put your mouse on the picture here, and your arrow will become 4 direction arrow just like this. Can you see it? Here become this. Okay, so now you can drag your picture to place it to the place that you like. Remember, once I say drag means that you have to hold and don't release your finger. Like this, I want to move from here to here, and then I hold it, and then put here, and then I release my finger just like this. Okay, so this is the second lesson, and then let us move on to the third lesson, is how to resize your picture. Okay, let us move to the giraffe here. First click your picture, and then the frame will appear like this. And then put your mouse on either one of the small square here, just like here or here. You can see your mouse will become 2 direction arrow. If I put on the picture here, they will become 4 direction arrow. If I put on the small square here, it will become 2 direction arrow here. So if I want to make my picture become bigger, and then I drag outward just like here. Okay, if I want to make my picture become smaller, and then I click it, and then drag inward just like this. Okay, once again, if I want to enlarge my picture, and then I put here and then drag outward. If I want to make my picture become smaller and then I drag inward, you can try yourself to put your mouse to either edge of a small square here, and then you will see what's the difference between them. Okay, so this all of the lesson 3, how to resize your picture. So, and we have to move on to the lesson 4, how to rotate a picture. Here we go. First, click the picture. The frame will appear again. The upper middle square here is with semicircle arrow. Did you see it? So put your mouse on the semicircle arrow, and then your mouse will change the semicircle arrow too. Now you can click it, the semicircle arrow, and try to drag your mouse to the direction that you want. Just like I want to rotate to the right, and then I drag to the right, and then release my finger. So once you release your finger, that means that your picture will rotate to the direction that you want. Okay, this remind that you cannot rotate your picture by putting your mouse at other small square instead of here, because the rotate sign is here, and then we can just resize your picture by putting your mouse at here and rotate at here. Can you see it? So this is a rotate side, remember. So after teaching you how to rotate the picture, we are going to the last section, how to crop the picture. So as before, click your picture here, and then now it's click picture format here. Click it, and then the toolbar will appear, and try to find crop button. Click it, and then a small outline frame will appear just like this. So if you want to crop the right section, so you can click the right small line here and then click it, and then you can drag until your wizard remove part becomes shaded like this. And then once you release your finger, that means that you have done your crop just like this. Click it, and then this part will remove. Can you see it? Okay, so this is how to crop your picture. So now is your short time. You can use what I teach you to insert a trick like this, and you can do a teaching material just like this. You can try to teach your children what is transportation by inserting the picture like the car, the train, and the motorcycle instead of just a words on it. So this is a lesson of how to insert a picture and how to edit a picture. So hope you guys like it. Thank you very much.